What's up guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and I am in Hawaii. I have filmed a what I ate today video while I'm here in Maui, so that will be up next week on my channel. But today I'm going to show you what I ate today on a day that we were filming the Vegan View in LA. I hope it gives you some good ideas, and let's get started. So instead of having my usual cold glass of water first thing in the morning, I opted for a warm mug of water just because it was really cold in LA last week, and I read something online that said that if you wake up in the morning and your body is warm, you should drink something cold. But if you wake up cold, you should try to drink something warm. I have no idea if it's true, but I just decided to give it a try, and it was actually really nice. After about an hour, I was ready for breakfast, and I've been making this a lot recently. It's so good, especially if you guys really like key lime pie. All I do is I take a vegan key lime pie yogurt. I either get this brand or I get the Kite Hill brand. Both of them are really, really good. And then I mix it together with some granola. And it's kind of like the yogurt tastes like the key lime pie filling, and then the granola is almost like the crust. So it really tastes like a dessert, even though it's healthy for you. Some days I'll put bananas on it, but on this day I had strawberries, so that's what I used. And I also sprinkled on a spoonful of hemp seeds just for some added protein and omega-6s. And then of course I had some coffee with almond milk, and this was so delicious. It's light, it's energizing, and it tastes like dessert. I mean, what more can you want, right? Hey guys, so I just got to Costa Mesa. I drove here from LA this morning because we're filming the Vegan View, and we just got a studio here in Costa Mesa. And if you don't know what the Vegan View is, it's a talk show that I do on YouTube, and we bulk film so that we can all kind of get a whole month's worth of episodes all done in one day. So today we're going to be filming all day long. There's going to be lots and lots of good food. We already are doing a taste test. We have some really special like birthday treats for Danny, and we're doing a really cool interview. That's why I'm in workout clothes, because we have an interview with a fitness expert. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside and show you guys around. She's arrived with her butt pillow.
Hi! It's for your coccyx.
For your what?
Coccyx.
Uh-huh.
There's a little hole for your tailbone.
We're setting up. This is Angie. Hey. She's gonna be our guest today. We're gonna be talking about fitness. She's a fitness expert. I will put her Instagram in the description box. Awesome. In between tapings, Angie was telling us about Prevent Cruelty California, which is a petition that needs 600,000 signatures to make it to the November ballot. And if it gets passed into law, it's going to make it illegal for stores to sell meat from animals that were kept in gestational crates and really tiny cages. So it would really help prevent a lot of unnecessary cruelty in the state of California. So of course we signed it, and I will link it down below in the description box if you'd like to take part in it as well. Okay, so it's lunchtime and we got salads from Vibe. We're about to do a taste test, but we usually order lunch too. One, because we like to eat, and two, because otherwise we're just gonna end up snacking all day, so it's better to eat like a real meal and then taste test. So this was a vegan taco salad that had spicy jackfruit on top of lettuce with pico de gallo, jalapenos, black beans, pepitas. It also had some guacamole and a chipotle cream sauce, which was so good. And I think it's something I could definitely recreate at home. So let me know if you want to see a recipe so that you guys can try something similar, because it's really good and really filling. Danny found an app that shows you what you would look like as a guy, and guess which celebrity she looks like.
Well, first show her as a guy.
So this is Danny as a guy. Not bad, not bad. And then wait, but who does that look like? Anyone? Put them side by side.
Wait.
You guys.
Brace
About to film a taste test. Alright, we're on to episode 4, and this video is sponsored by a Bloom Bake Shop. So we've got some more goodies to try.
So these are our reasons why we're not vegetarian. I hope you guys loved the video. I'd love to hear yours down in the comments below. Be sure to check out our Facebook group. Welcome to my refrigerator. So I'm gonna have one of these. This is a vegan beer according to Barnivore, and this is something that my I should close the refrigerator. What am I doing? My friend got me into IPAs. I didn't really used to like them before. I thought they were really bitter and hoppy, and they are really bitter and hoppy, but you kind of develop a taste for it, and I actually think they're really good. There's something that's kind of like pineapple-y and
pine tree-y, and I know that doesn't sound good at all, but I feel like it's really refreshing, especially if they're ice cold, and having just one, I feel like, and sipping it slowly with some crackers and hummus just sounds heavenly. I'm gonna put on my comfy robe, and I think I'm gonna put on an episode of Blackish. And that's exactly what I did. I got comfy, I put on a good show. I made a little plate with some crackers from Kashi and from Wasa, and I put some hummus and some cucumber spears on a plate, a little bit of salsa on the side, and called it a day. I accidentally discovered the most delicious healthy snack. Rude! You might remember that I really like taking cucumbers and cutting them into spears like this and doing some salt and freshly cracked pepper. It's weirdly simple, but it's so good. My friend Sarah taught me how to do it, and it really gives you that salty, crunchy thing that is really satisfying when you want, like, you know, crackers or chips, but it's really refreshing and healthy. So I kind of amped it up a little bit, and I put some lemon pepper on it, and oh my gosh, it is so good, especially because the cucumbers are really cold and really crunchy, and then they've got that salty lemon pepper flavor. I think I'm gonna be addicted to these, so if you guys try this, let me know. So this is ending very abruptly. I'm sorry, I lost a clip somehow, but that was it for the day. I had a really good day of food, and I think the way I was able to kind of pick and eat without totally overdoing it was that I really anchored the day in meals. So I ate like a good breakfast and lunch throughout the day, so I was full, and that way I could, you know, do the taste test and have the desserts and the cakes and stuff without overdoing it. That's a really good tip that I learned pretty recently, actually, and it's made all the difference in terms of just being able to enjoy without totally binging. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you need some more healthy meal ideas, I helped create a 7-day meal plan with Purple Carrot. I will put the link to it in the description box below, but it's totally free with any Purple Carrot meal box that you get before the 20th, and I have a coupon code in the description box as well. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys in a video very soon. Aloha!